Hi friends, this is Leo421, your gaming guru. It is February 8th, 2021. Wanted to go over the treat calendar, but first I have to pause the recording. I'll be right back. Alright, sorry about that. I just knocked over a water bottle. So anyways, if you don't have access to the treat calendar, I played through Chrome, Google Chrome, and there's other ways to do it. So, first, I don't know why I always have to it never shows anything else unless I complete a level, so I'm just gonna play level 1055 since it's the most strangest but not so great level because we only have 5 moves to get this done. So I'm just gonna keep going here until this is all done, and I've got quite a bit jelly to remove. I'm gonna make that striped first, and then I think this might do it. Oh yeah, the color bomb should do it. Yes, we got it. Okay, so I got a 1 move left. Okay, so now, once I'm done, I should get the boosters, and I got over 1 million. Alright, so let's take a look. There we go. Fantastic 5. And you can get unlimited access to striped wrapped combos by opening up the treat calendar. So there we go, I get the striped wrapped combo. Oh, get rid of that. All that. So now I can go back and then look at my treat calendar, and I have the win streak too. Where's my treat calendar? Here it is. Okay, so I collected day 7 yesterday, but now I have to wait till I get day 7 again, but I have to wait 6 hours, 56 minutes, and 26 seconds until I receive my reward. And let's say I play level 1057, I make a move, oh, I didn't do so well, I'm gonna exit, lose a life. So now, I have 4 lives, but if I just duplicate this slide, it should give me my 5 lives back. In other ways, if I open up another private window, that's how I'll get it. I'm not sure how long this is gonna take to load, but if it takes too long to load, I might have to pause the recording. Okay, so this is taking long to load because my computer's awfully slow, so I'm gonna pause the recording here, meet you back here once this loads. Okay, so it ended up working. I now have 5 lives back. But now, look what happens. I still can't access the treat calendar because I've already collected day 1. But if I open up a new, that's not what I know. Where do I do this? If I open up a new incognito window, it blocks third-party cookies. And so what that does is I'm going to go to Candy Crush on Facebook. And for some reason, King.com is not, so I'm going to have to reset the page. But if I open up a new browser, let me go back. I'm going to open up Mozilla Firefox, and I'll show you how that works. Okay, so here we go. I'm in Mozilla, so now I'm going to go back down to level 1055. And then we'll see what happens. There we go, 1055. Sometimes I played this level with the win streak, so I had 8 moves to get this done. And I still have that win streak. That's kind of new. Alright, so here we go. I know it's a very strange level. So here we go, I've got 3 jelly left, and I think I can get the job done. 2 jelly left. Oh man, I don't know if I'm getting this done. Okay, I got it done. On the Super Sugar Crush, of course. Okay, so now I should receive my treat calendar. And all of my other boosters, yes. So I was able to get it. And I should get the unlimited striped wrapped combo. Let's see if I do get it. Oh, okay, that was weird. Alright, so now I get the unlimited striped wrapped combo again. So now I should have 2 when I enter. Yep, I have 2. Okay. So that is just my way of opening up boosters. And I can do the same thing by doing unlimited striped wrapped combos. And I did try duplicating the tab, but that's just my way of getting free boosters and unlimited lives. If this video was helpful, I would ask that you consider liking and subscribing. If you have any questions or comments, please put those below. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.